Hello and welcome to Craxoid. Today in this video, I am going to give a quick review of latest Fork Lineage OS. Basically, Fork Lineage OS is a separate version of the operating system than normal Lineage OS that has been created by a different group of developers, usually with the intention of modifying or adding new features to the original codebase and may include changes that are not present in the original version of Lineage OS. So let's start the video. As you can see, this is Fork Lineage OS based on Android version 12 and has Android security update of February 5, 2023. But vendor security update is still outdated and is of June 5, 2022. And talking about kernel, latest Lineage OS kernel is used in this ROM. And if you're wondering whether you will get unlimited Google Photos and video storage feature or not, then don't worry, you can upload as many photos and videos as you like in Google Photos app on this ROM. And if we look at its Play Protect certification on Play Store app, a device is not certified written there, which is not a good thing, and maybe it's because of being an unofficial version of the ROM. And I have installed GApps included version, so I have got Google Phone Dialer and messaging application on this ROM. And you can do manual call recording in it, but we'll get call recording announcement. Moving towards camera, you will get aperture camera, and this camera is working properly. But if you want to install Google camera, then you can use that too. And talking about widgets, you will get all the Android 12 widgets in it, including Android 12 clock widget. And from its wallpapers and styles section, you can get customizations like wallpaper color, basic color, including other features like dark theme, themed icons, and app grid. And talking about launcher, this ROM comes with Pixel launcher, and from its recent app section, you will get features like app info and split top only. And if you look down below, you will get quick actions like screenshot and select option. And you cannot change or edit them, as there is no any option to edit or do changes in its launcher setting, but you can turn on or off this at a glance feature on home screen. And this is how quick setting panel looks like, which does not come with many fancy tiles but has some essential tiles like QR scanner, reboot, CPU info, and more. And from its settings section, you can use private DNS option, which surprisingly also have two custom DNS provider, Cloudflare and AdGuard DNS, which is a small but a good implementation. And from its app setting, you can enable game space feature, which has now become a most common feature in custom ROMs. And in its notification setting, you will get features like enhanced notifications and heads up option, which will display priority notifications in a small floating window. And from its battery setting, you will get options to see battery usage with a dedicated battery usage graph, and other options like battery manager, battery light, and current battery temperature is also present. And from display setting, you can enable network traffic indicator feature, and you can make it enable on status bar or on quick settings. And if you want a 4G icon instead of LTE, then you can do this by just enabling this option. And talking about dark theme, on this display setting, you will get a separate pure black option, which will adjust pure black background for dark theme. And not only this, you will also be getting different custom theme options, which you can apply according to your choice. Talking about more extra features on display setting, you will get features like hide quick setting on secured lock screen, as well as you can enable or disable power menu on lock screen mode. And if you like to use display cutout feature, then you can use it from here. And at last, on display setting, you will get Monet engine option, from where you can play with colors and theme on your phone. And in security, you will get both face and fingerprint options to unlock your device. And from system setting, you can do customizations on buttons as well as on status bar. And from button setting, you can invert the layout of 2 buttons or 3 buttons navigation bar. You will also get customizations like back button long press action, home button long press action, double tap action, and recent button long press action. Not only this, you will also get additional features like long press power menu button while screen is off to enable torch, as well as you will also get show volume panel on left side and click to partial screenshot option inside this button setting. Now moving towards status bar, you will get options to enable quick pull down from left or right side, and you can also enable this show second option if you like to see seconds along with current time. And from gesture setting, you can enable swipe 3 fingers down to screenshot, and this feature is working perfectly. And you can share, edit, and even delete that screenshot you have taken, but no scan option is implemented in it. So this is all about the latest unofficial version of Fork Lineage OS based on February 2023 security update. So what do you think about this ROM? You can share your thoughts and experience related to this ROM on comment section below. And if you like my work, then please like, share and subscribe to Craxoid YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.